episode of In the Garden with Garrett, and we've got a special friend with us today, Kinsley, and she's going to be helping us out on cleaning this garden box up so we can get the vegetables in before it's too late. So today we're going to work on cleaning this garden box up so we can get our first cold weather crops in the ground. As you can see, we kind of let it go through the winter. When the season was done last year, this thing got overgrown with weeds and lots of stuff. So we're going to get it cleaned up. We're going to add some good planting soil, and we're going to put some chicken manure in here. So the best way to do this is to just climb up in the garden box. Yep, stand up in here, and we're going to try to dig the roots out. We don't want to just pull the weeds. We don't want to just break them off like this because the roots will still be in the ground. You're gonna grab them like this, and you're gonna hit the soil off, and then we're gonna throw that in the wheelbarrow, okay? And we're just gonna do that to all of them, and we're just gonna.
Can I do that?
Yeah, we're gonna just pop them out like that and throw them to the side. Go ahead, Bev.
Which one? This one? You pull out all of the weeds?
Yep, all the weeds.
Do I put this in the dry house?
So we just got back from the chicken farm, and I ended up grabbing one of these racks. It's a rack from an old walnut and filbert dryer, and we had some of these laying around. So what we're going to use this for is we're going to sift this chicken manure, so only the nice small kind of dust falls out of it, and the big pieces we'll throw aside. So we're going to throw the chicken manure on here, guys, and then we're going to kind of shake it. Okay, so who wants to help me sift it?
Me.
Okay, let's go on that side, Simon, and grab it. Okay, everybody grab it and hold it. We're gonna go back and forth like this, okay? Push it this way. Push it around. Okay, shake it out. So one thing you gotta be careful about with chicken manure, if it's fresh, it's gonna be super hot. You gotta put it on in fall. That way it composts all winter long, and it's nice and cool by the time spring comes. This manure here, like I said, is over a year old. It's composted down. It's nice and dry. It's not very hot. You can actually add a little more to your garden boxes, and you don't have to worry about things burning up. Hey, so the last thing we're going to do is we're going to make some potting soil mix. It's actually a raised garden mix. It's got peat moss, composted bark dust, and a few other forest products in it. This is going to help for drainage, and it's also going to help the chicken manure and the native soil blend together, and our vegetables are going to grow amazing in this new mix. So we got this garden box all weeded out. We added chicken manure. We turned it into the soil. We put some nice potting soil in here. We got it all mixed up, and we're pretty much ready to plant. We just got to smooth it out a little bit, and then we can plant lettuce, celery, any of the early crops. So all we have left to do is smooth things out, get some plants in here, and we're ready to go. If you guys need a custom garden box for your backyard, or you have questions and inquiries about your landscaping, check out our YouTube channel, go to our Facebook page, or check us out at GoOutdoorLiving.com.